In the book of Genesis, in chapter 29, it's an account of when Jacob left home to get away from his angry brother Esau and maybe to find a wife. And he goes to relatives. He meets Rachel and pretty quickly, it seems, falls in love with her. And if you read carefully the entire passage, you see that Jacob and Rachel are cousins. Rachel's father, Laban, and Jacob's mother, Rebekah, were brother and sister. But at least a couple of times, Laban refers to Jacob as his brother. And that could be confusing. You might think that Jacob was Rachel's cousin and uncle. But you can tell from the entire context that, well, no, he's not Laban's literal brother in the sense of a sibling, but he is family. Laban was simply saying, Jacob, you are our family. You are a relative. Something kind of similar happens just before this, the account of when Jacob fell asleep outside and he had a dream about a ladder that extended from the earth to heaven, and the Lord is appearing at the top of this ladder and refers to Jacob's father, Abraham. But we know from other passages that Jacob's father, in the more literal sense, in the sense we're used to using it, Jacob's father was Isaac, and his grandfather was Abraham. So is this a mistake? Or is there something weird going on? No, it's just that there's another way to use the word father. And the Bible does this many times. Sometimes father simply means ancestor. When we read the Bible, we've got to read it carefully. We've got to let the context provide meaning. We've got to let other parts of the Bible interpret what we're reading. And we have to understand that sometimes words can mean more than one thing. That's still the case today. So when a word seems to be saying something that doesn't quite make sense or jibe with other scripture, analyze it and figure out that, oh, maybe it doesn't mean what I think it means.